Hey guys, this is the Cuber part of Magic Cubers, and today I'm going to be showing you the advanced 3x3 method called CFOP. Okay, so just a quick introduction. CFOP has 3 stages. It has the beginner stage, the intermediate stage, which is what I'm going to be showing you today, and the advanced stage. Now, if you don't know the beginner stage, then go ahead and click that card or that annotation. It really helps a lot to know those first. So, the advanced stage is first, of course, you build the cross, and then instead of just getting the corners, you build the first 2 layers all together. Now, I've already made a video on that, so go ahead and click that card or that annotation over there to see that video. And today is going to be focusing on the last layer. It consists of 4 steps. PLL, which OLL, 2-look OLL, which first step is finding the edge pieces, and then second step is getting the corner pieces up. That will take 2 algorithms. And then 2-look PLL, which first gets the corners in the right spot and then the edges in the right spot. And that only requires 2 algorithms to complete. There are 7 2-look OLL algorithms and 4 2-look PLL algorithms. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the first look of 2-look OLL. It's pretty much the beginner's method. When there's a line, you just do F, sexy move F prime, and when there's a L shape, you do wide F, sexy move wide F prime, and when there's a dot, you just do both of them together, which is F, sexy move F prime, wide F, sexy move wide F prime. So yeah, that's all of the first look of OLL. Okay, so these are the first 2 cases that I'm going to show you for OLL. So the first one is the soon. You should probably already know that from beginners, but I'm going to show you anyways. So it's R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And for the anti-soon, it's just like this. You could either hold it like that and do it from the left, but I like to hold it in the back and go R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. Okay, so these are the next 2 cases. It is the chameleon eyes, which has one facing you on the left and one facing that way on the left, and the bow tie kind of looks like a bow tie with one facing you on the right and one facing to the left in the back. So in this case, you are going to be doing wide R, U, R prime, U prime, wide R prime, F, R, F prime. And that'll get it. And in this one, you just do the setup move F and do the same thing. Wide R, U, R prime, U prime, wide R prime, F, R. But you don't need to do the last F prime. Okay, so here are the next 2 cases. The first one is the blinker. It's like chameleon eyes on the right and headlights on the left. And then the second one is just headlights, where you're just looking at the headlights. So with the blinker, you just do the the algorithm for the L shape, which is wide F, R, U, R prime U, wide F prime, and then the algorithm for the line, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And for this one, it's a little difficult. You do R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. And let's move on to the final OLL case. Okay, so the final OLL case is just, it's called the car. It's because there's headlights on both sides. And you hold it like this. You do F, sexy move times 3, so 1, 2, 3, and then F prime. And there you go. That's all that you need to know for OLL. Now let's move on to 2-look PLL. Okay, so 2-look PLL has 6 algorithms. 2 for the corners and 4 for the edges. So the first one is where you have headlights, which are just 2 corners solved, and pretty much these 2 need to switch, but really you're just going to be cycling through these. And in this one where you have no headlights and you need to just switch them like that. So in the first one, like this, when you have headlights, you hold it like this with the headlights in the back, well, looking at white, headlights on the bottom, and you do R prime, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R prime, D2, R2. And that creates headlights on everything, and then you can just turn it so that they're solved. And in this case, it's a little bit harder, where they need to switch with each other. So you hold it like this, so that they're swapping like that, and you go R, U prime, R prime, D, R, U, R prime, wide U to R prime, U, R, D, R prime, U prime, R prime, or R. And there you go. That's all for the corners. And now we can move on to the edges. Okay, so the first 2 are when you need to cycle 3 times around either way. This is the one that you learn in the beginner's method, where you need to put this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. But this one is when you have to cycle it the other way, this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. So you might know this one, but just in case, I'm going to show you. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And it's solved. And this one, it's pretty much you're doing it backwards. So R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. And those last 3 moves are pretty easy. All you have to do is just, like, you can perform that really fast. Go like that, and it's solved. And so those 2 are pretty easy. Let's move on to the next 2. Okay, so the next 2 are where none of the sides are solved. So in this one, they need to be swapped across from each other, and in this one, they need to be swapped adjacent from each other. So this one's the easiest. All you do is M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. Now that one's very symmetrical, and it can be performed really fast with a good cube. This one's not a very good cube, but yeah, M2U, M2U2, M2U, M2. It's just M, and then the U's alternate. So it's M, U, M, U2, M, U, M. And this one is harder, so you M2U, M2U, M prime, I think that is, I don't know. And then U2, M2, U2, M prime, U2. And that is all that you need to know to do 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helped you out a lot with PLL and OLL. If it did, then go ahead and leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one every Tuesday and Friday. Go ahead and comment what you want to see next on this channel. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.